kind of like a flashing effect. So it looks pretty cool. Hey, Aaron. So we have some more inflatables that we need to unbox. First of all, we found this Zero at Walmart all random. We didn't notice him before. And then we have 2 inflatables from Amazon, and I'll put the prices and stuff on the screen. All right, which one do you want to unbox first?
Zero.
So this Zero is from Walmart. He's $35.
5 feet. Yeah.
He's 5 feet.
Really? Oh, Zero. Oh, Zero.
I thought he would make a really good addition to all of our Nightmare Before Christmas ones, because we don't have one with him on top of the doghouse like that. There he is. All right, so here you see Zero on top of the doghouse. So you can see he has his little cape.
I hate that there's not a light in the pumpkin.
Oh yeah.
Wait, there is. You just can't see it.
All right, here's the little pumpkin, and here's Zero in his little pink collar, and here's his house. All right, so we are going to unbox the next ones. The next ones are the ones from Amazon.
Yeah.
So I'm excited to see these. This one, I'll put the price on the screen. This is by a brand called Goosh. You gotta squeeze the thing. All right, there it is. I don't even remember what it was.
It's like a tower of ghosts.
A tower of ghosts. Oh yeah, there it is.
Change color and stuff.
So he's supposed to have, this inflatable is supposed to have a bunch of different light effects. So we're excited to see what he looks like, and I will show you what he looks like at night.
Oh,
yeah, it's pretty tall. All right, there he is. You can see this gigantic ghost. I think he's supposed to be 10 feet. And here's the middle ghost with the silly face. And then this guy, I don't know why he's so scared. He's got the candy bowl.
He's like,
it looks awesome. So we're gonna see what he looks like later with the lights off, when it's darker. So we're gonna unbox the other Amazon one.
surprise now. Ooh.
All right.
We're gonna find out what it is. I don't know what it is. Ooh, that's a...
The zipper's open.
Zipper's open. Close it.
All right, here he is.
Oh, he's cool.
Let's see what he looks like.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he makes noise.
I forgot about this guy.
Whoa!
Look at the color stuff you like.
Oh, cool.
Ow.
Is it out? Oh, it reflects on the house, see?
Oh, see, it shines to the back of it.
Yeah.
There you go. There he is.
Whoa, cool.
You can see his back things popped up there. So this is this Reaper. You can see he's got like a skeleton in the middle and his creepy hands. You can see his kaleidoscope head. And then he also makes the sound of like laughing, like Halloween laughing. And over here you could see it has a light back here that shines behind him to like light up the wall. So that's pretty cool. And of course, always links are in description.
Mom,
anyway, this guy's super cool. We'll show you what they look like at night.
Mom, I found the speaker.
Where's the speaker?
This is the speaker.
Oh, there's the speaker right there. I wonder if there's a way to turn it off sometime. All right, so these are, I think these are the last of our Halloween inflatables. that we got. So we're gonna finish setting up the yard so we could show you our display as soon as it's done. Let me show you at night. Hey guys, so this is the ghost at night. You can see it does have kind of like a flashing effect, so it looks pretty cool. Here's the Zero chilling over here. Here is the Reaper. You can see his kaleidoscope head. You can see him from pretty far away. His body is lit up blue. And then down here, you can see how his light is reflecting, like lighting up this tentacle here. It looks cool. And then his speaker is right here, which I taped up so it won't be so loud for the neighbors, you know. They already have to deal with all the inflatables. Alright guys, so let me know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.